Today I'm going to show you a luxury new construction model home in the most prestigious all-ages community in Port St. Lucie, with an active lifestyle and amenities, different home designs to choose from, and plenty of options to custom build your home or move in right away without the wait. So if you're looking to buy a home here and want to learn more about what this builder has to offer, my name is Raphael Gonzalez. I'm an independent realtor that specializes in new construction and new home communities in South Florida, and I can personally assist and work with you throughout the process to find the right place to call home. So the home we are walking up to now is called their Julia model, and I have found this home to be incredibly popular with clients of mine that are downsizing, as it has the largest kitchen of any two-bedroom home in Port St. Lucie, and is actually the largest two-bedroom floor plan available to build in PGA that still retains a den, coming in at nearly 2,000 square feet under air. If you want a quality home with a luxury fit and finish, but don't need extra rooms or wasted space, this is a perfect floor plan to consider. While the exterior of this home was designed with the Spanish exterior elevation, which you saw with the earth tones, the signature barrel tile concrete roof, the accents, and the black hurricane impact window frames, but the inside of this home has been upgraded to be contemporary and transitional, with gray polished porcelain floors, a Cambria quartz island with marble veining, shaker-style cabinetry, and a gourmet configuration with the built-in wall oven and microwave. The sliding glass doors off from the great room and lanai are a 4-panel, 10 feet tall, and open up the entire back of the home, letting in more natural light and giving you a great view of a pool or a landscape deck if you prefer. And if you find yourself needing even more space, possibly an extra bedroom and bathroom, but really like the flow of this floor plan, they have the option to add a second-story bonus room, which adds another 400 square feet. This is also one of the few builders that allows you to build a pool alongside construction, and they are one of my personal favorite builders, as they don't lock you into cookie-cutter homes like many of the others, but you're actually able to customize any of their floor plans in over 20 different ways to truly personalize your home to fit your family and lifestyle. And that's before you even go to the design studio, where they offer hundreds of finish options. Something else that I like that you may have not noticed is that they build with more windows and include more square footage of glass than most other builders in the area, filling their homes with more natural light. So if you're interested in scheduling a tour and want more information about this home and the community, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I work with a lot of home buyers and sellers in this area, and I would be able to personally help and represent you throughout the entire process. Every builder and community is unique, and I have the knowledge and the experience with each and every one along the Treasure Coast, so I can help you make the best decision possible and keep you updated and informed every step of the way. Where we're at today in Port St. Lucie is within PGA, which has been the premier all-ages resort community in the area for years, balancing luxury home designs with the lifestyle and amenities. And make sure you watch through to the end of this video, as I'll show some drone footage of the community and where all of the amenities are. PGA Verano is a private luxury gated community here in Port St. Lucie near the Tradition and St. Lucie West areas, with an ideal location where you're just minutes to shopping, dining, weekly held activities and events, a major hospital, and you are 30 minutes to miles of uncrowded beaches. Port St. Lucie is also centrally located on the East Coast, right in the middle of Miami and Orlando, and a 45-minute drive to West Palm Beach, making this an ideal spot to live with less traffic and congestion, and it's also rated as the second safest city to live in the state of Florida. While PGA, of course, is known for its legacy and association with the golf club, membership is entirely optional, and there are pay-to-play options as well, with 3 highly rated championship courses. Verano itself has 2 distinct amenity campuses, Club Talavera, which is the social club and the primary fitness center, and the pickleball and SmartFit training centers. At Club Talavera, there is a full-time lifestyle director and a wide range of resident-led social clubs, keeping the calendar full with classes, shows, entertainment, and more. This is where you'll find the on-site HOA and residence help desk, the lounge, library, auditorium, and grand ballroom, as well as the demonstration kitchen, billiards tables, card rooms, and the art studio. And most importantly, Club Talavera is where the resort pool is, the fitness center with free weights and plenty of machines, saunas, and the Junior Olympic indoor lap lane pool and jacuzzi. You'll find tennis courts, basketball courts, and a dog park and playground for furry friends and little ones. And PGA Verano's Pickleball Center is one of the largest private complexes in the state of Florida with 27 courts. They've won Best of the Best Tennis and Pickleball by Ideal Living and distinguished as the Outdoor Pickleball Facility of the Year by American Sports Builders Association. You'll also find here the resistance pool, the aerobic studio, and the e-gym, which is equipped with smart fitness technology with an easy-to-use circuit training system. With 16 different floor plans to choose from, starting around 1,400 square feet and going up to nearly 3,700, you're sure to find a home that is a great fit for you. And I can help you narrow down which homes will work best, with pricing starting in the 400s and going up to the $1 million range. There's options for every budget. Their homes can be built from scratch on any available home site and takes just under a year to build. And there are plenty of quicker move-in homes as well that are already built across PGA that are available, all with hurricane impact windows and doors, concrete tile roof, and your lawn care, irrigation, cable, internet, and all of the amenities are included. So before making plans to visit any model center in a new community, make sure you call me first to make sure you're able to receive representation. Once you sign in without a realtor, you lose that opportunity, and there's no cost to you since the builder compensates your realtor on your behalf. I've helped buyers from all over the country that watch my videos online, and they have found it incredibly valuable having me on their side, touring the models together, helping you understand what's included versus what's an upgrade in a home, and answering any questions that you have about the community and providing you with a guided tour. So if you are interested in this home or something similar to this anywhere on the Treasure Coast, you can reach out to me directly, and I personally would be able to work with and assist you throughout the entire process.